Hi, babies. Hi, boys. Hi. Hi, Christopher. Hi, man. You got on your raccoon clothes today? What's that? Hi, Colton. Hi, Colton. Colton and Christopher. A little over 2 months old. Hi, boys. It's almost feeding time, isn't it? Who's going to get Milky? Who's going to get Milky? Somebody's going to get some Milky. Oh, yeah. Look at my boys. They're getting big. Who's going to get some milk? Who's going to get it? You going to get it, Colton? Christopher, are you going to get it? Yeah? What are you guys talking about? I know. Is that right? Is that right? Alright, look at that. Best friends forever. Best friends forever. Okay, let's go get some Milky. Let's go get it.